Hey bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today we are whipping up a lovely prickly pear eye gel cream. I designed this gel cream to hydrate and moisturize the under eye area while also offering a bit of soothing and depuffing goodness. We get some great moisturizing, hydrating goodness from the inclusion of some hyaluronic acid and some Propanediol 1,3, both of which are fantastic non-sticky humectants. Panthenol also helps moisturize and soothe, along with allantoin, which is a great skin soothing ingredient. For depuffing, we have a small amount of pure caffeine powder. I've also included some luxurious prickly pear seed oil, which is absolutely gorgeous. If you don't have it, you could use a different luxurious oil that your skin loves, so something like argan oil or pomegranate seed oil would be a beautiful choice. The whole thing is thickened and emulsified with some Sepamax Zen, though you could also use Aristaflex AVC. This is both our gelling agent and our emulsifier. If you're looking for more information about this formulation, please make sure you are reading the full partner blog post, which is linked in the description box below. There you'll find a lot more information about this formulation, including information on substitutions, scaling, shelf life, where to buy ingredients, and a whole lot more. But come on, let's get started. We're going to begin by pre-dispersing our gelling agent in our prickly pear seed oil. So you're going to need 0.45 grams of Sepamax Zen, and if you need substitutions or help finding places to purchase these ingredients, please make sure you are reading the partner blog post, which is linked in the description box below this video. And you'll need 3 grams prickly pear seed oil. And we will whisk to combine. Up next is a selection of powdered ingredients. You'll need 0.12 grams allantoin, 0.15 grams pure caffeine powder, and 0.3 grams powdered panthenol or vitamin B5. Up next is 0.6 grams Propanediol 1,3 and 0.09 grams liquid germall plus. Now it's time to wrap up by adding our watery ingredients. So we're going to need 6 grams of a 1% low molecular weight hyaluronic acid solution. And for details on how to make this, please make sure you are reading that blog post linked in the description box below. And we'll need 19.29 grams distilled water. Now we're going to whisk to combine, and it will become thicker and kind of cloudy, and you'll notice that it's definitely not uniform. So our next step, we're going to cover the beaker with a bit of cling film or sort of whatever else you have to keep it from evaporating, and we're going to leave this to sit and hydrate for a couple hours. All right, it has been an hour, so we can check on this. It has thickened up a lot, and it looks like with a good whisking, we will be done. If you have a little handheld battery-powered mini mixer, this can be a good place for that as well, and can really sort of speed up the waiting time. Just make sure you're careful that it doesn't get away on you and splatter your eye gel all over your working area. So you can see that this is nice and uniform and lovely, so all that's left now is packaging. So for packaging, I'm going to use this little airless pump bottle from Humblebee. One of the things to note is that once you pop the lid in, it's done. It's not coming back out again. So make sure if you've ordered some of these and you're storing them, don't sort of be like, I'm gonna save some space by putting these together, because then you won't be able to use them at all. So that required quite a lot of force to put that on, and I did need to put the cap on over top of the pumper to really press on it hard enough that it snapped together. But there you can see it's all sealed, and we can pull out the little plastic stopper there and pump out some. There we go. This has really lovely slip, quite a rich feel on the skin. Moves really well for quite a while, and then as we leave it to sort of dry down, I do find that there is a touch of tackiness in the sort of in the space between totally dry and still quite wet and movable, but once it dries, I don't find it to be tacky, which is lovely. I'm going to decorate our packaging with a bit of washi tape. This particular one is from the Muji store. And there you go. So we just made a lovely prickly pear eye gel. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and please remember to read the full blog post for this formulation. It is linked in the description box below. You'll find links to places to buy all the ingredients, information on substitutions, scaling, shelf life, and a whole lot more. So thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.